Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayanam. Today I am going to analyze Railtel Corporation of India Limited Q3 financial year results. We are going to discuss consolidated results, here amount in lakhs. First we are going to discuss year on year results. That means we will compare 31st December 2019 results with 31st December 2020 results. Later we will check quarter on quarter results. That means 30 September 2020 results with 31st December 2020 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 270 crores. This year 410 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 52% year on year. This is very good figure. This is positive side. Later other income. Other income was decreased from 7.8 crores to 7.19 crores. Here total income previous year 278 crores. This year 417 crores. Now we'll check expenses. Here expenses. First one is access and other charges. Previous year 64 crores. This year 89 crores. Here it was increased from 64 crores to 89 crores means approximately 25 crores was increased. This is positive side. Later license fees to DOT. It was increased from 12.5 crores to 13.9 crores. Later expenses on project. It was increased from 83 crores to 136 crores. Here it was increased from 83 crores to 136 crores. Access and other charges increased from 64 crores to 89 crores. Later employee benefit expenses. It was decreased from 31 crores to 28 crores. Later finance cost. It was decreased from 1.5 crores to 33 lakhs. This is positive side. That means they have minimal debt. Later depreciation. It was increased from 27 crores to 37 crores. Later other expenses. It was increased from 3.9 crores to 18 crores. Here approximately 15 crores was increased. What you understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased from 270 crores to 410 crores. This is positive side. Later expenses, access and other charges increased from 64 crores to 89 crores. Later expenses on projects. It was increased from 83 crores to 136 crores. Later finance cost decreased from 1.5 crores to 33 lakhs. Later other expenses increased from 3.9 crores to 18 crores. Later profit from operations before tax. It was increased from 53 crores to 94 crores. That means approximately 40 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 76% year on year profit before tax was increased. This is positive side. Later tax expenses. It was increased from 15 crores to 32 crores. Here profit before tax was increased from 53 crores to 94 crores. Due to that one, current tax also increased. Later deferred tax charge. Previous year 5.7 crores was credited to the company. This year 8.3 crores was credited to the company. Later profit for the period. Previous year 43 crores. This year 69 crores. That means approximately 26 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 61% year on year profit after tax was increased. This is positive side. Now I'll check quarter on quarter results. That means we'll compare September results with December results. Here revenue from operations. It was increased from 282 crores to 410 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 45% quarter on quarter increase. This is very good figure. Later profit from operations before tax. It was increased from 39 crores to 94 crores. That means approximately 54 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 135% quarter on quarter profit before tax was increased. This is very good figure. Later, profit for the period, it was increased from 29 crores to 39 crores. That means approximately 40 crores was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here, 138% quarter on quarter increased. This is very good figure. What we observed based on year on year and quarter on quarter results. RailTel Corporation Limited got very good results year on year and excellent results quarter on quarter. This is positive side. Here pros for RailTel Corporation Limited is good year on year quarter on quarter results, and they are paying very less interest. That means they have minimal debt or zero debt. That is positive side. Cons are RailTel Corporation is recently listed in the market, so we need to wait for future growth. Here we have one more point. RailTel Corporation Limited gave 1 rupee dividend, that is positive side. Conclusion is RailTel Corporation Limited got excellent results year on year and quarter on quarter. Based on year and quarter on quarter results, RailTel Corporation Limited is reasonable valuation. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.